I am UK Singh, Pol Science PGT from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. Dear students, I would like to tell you about the subsection of social science, political science, chapter 1, what is democracy and why democracy. Dear students, mentioned discussion in the text between Madam Matilda Lingdorf and the students of class 9 clarifies that democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by the people. You understand clearly that democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by the people. This definition separates democracy from the non-democratic government and non-democratic countries. As the rulers of Myanmar were not elected by the people, dictator like Pinochet is also not elected by the people. The kings of Saudi Arabia are some examples which are not elected by the people. That's why we can say these all the countries non-democratic. But this simple definition is not adequate. It reminds us that democracy is people's rule. But if we use this definition, then almost every government that holds elections is a democracy. That would not be correct. Most of the countries in the world want to be called a democracy, while they are not so. So we need to carefully distinguish between a government that is democracy and one that pretends to be one. We can do so by understanding each word in this definition carefully and spelling out the features of democratic government. Then students, features of the democratic government are following. Rulers are elected by the people. Secondly, major decisions are made by the elected leaders. Third, free and fair election competition. Fourth, one person, one vote, one value. Fifth, rule of law. And sixth, respect for civil rights. These are the key features of democracy. Now, it is clear that what is democracy. So, democracy is a form of government in which elected rulers make major decisions. First of all, the democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by the people. Second, elected leaders make major decisions. Third, elections offer choice and fair opportunity to the people to change the rulers. This choice and opportunity is available to all the people on an equal basis. The exercise of this choice leads to a government limited by basic rules of the Constitution and citizens' rights. Why do we need democracy? We will discuss tomorrow. Thanks. Okay.